What do I do?
Just all of them.
Ready?
Oh, turn it off! Oh!
It's so recording.
Not really. Oh. Oh, I think I tripped my tooth.
Yeah. Do it again.
No, it's good. That happens to me all the time. Sometimes my lip gets caught in there when you're like, whoa! I can just sit there, no. Oh! It pinches like crazy. Alright, you can turn the camera off.
Alright, it's off.
No, more
It's
noises.
off.
More noises.
What?
That was Mary Had a Little Lamb, by the way. It's rather fun. Again.
That's pretty good.
Oh, my ears ringing.
Okay.
That has got to
Wait, he's gonna do something funny over there.
I think we took all the sound out of him.
What is he doing?
Hi.
There's nothing else to record.
Backwards. Oh, really?
Except my ear trick if I can do it.
I can do that.
Oh, it's getting sweaty again. There we go.
This has been recording for 3 whole minutes.
What? What'd you say?
Oh, nothing.
Turn it off.
It's been off.
Okay, good. Okay, what all did you record? Hey, it's still on. It's still on.